welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day, or will have a great day today. Today we got, let's just go ahead and get into the video, and y'all know why y'all here. See, we're about 34 minutes away. Today we have a, I think it's a 2007 Porsche 911 convertible that we're gonna be doing. We're going to their place of business. It's a super foggy day, as y'all can see. So we're gonna be a little, so you know, gotta be a little cautious getting there. So let's go ahead and get there. All right, y'all, so here we go. I may get the year wrong. 2007 Porsche. We'll get this stuff off. 911, pretty good condition. We're doing a basic interior cleaning and a exterior wash. Not job like this normally could take me up to about an hour and a half, 2 hours because of the size. Nothing too fancy, and it's still gonna be a good detail, but we're not gonna get extensive with it. So yeah, but it's not bad. Exterior doesn't look too bad. The only thing I'm worried, these wheels are gonna be to clean. Got a little bit of damage right here, but he has headers and exhaust. He got full headers on here, y'all can see. But yeah, that's what we're working with today. So before I get everything started, I want to go ahead and show y'all. So we'll clean all this up. I'll probably just vacuum this just off of the hood. I guess it's just spider webs and whatever else. But let me show y'all the struggle of driving something this big. So I mean, I could have backed up, that way the back of this can kind of lean over this a little bit and it's not so much in the way. But as y'all can see, I'm way past out the line because of the back of the van, but it'll be all right. But let's go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started. It's gonna get noisy, so I'm just gonna put music on for y'all. And this one. I'm about to go ahead and send the invoice out, but he did ask me to kind of touch up underneath the engine bay, which isn't a big deal. He really wanted me to just kind of wipe the carbon fiber down, which, like I said, that took all of maybe 5 seconds to do, so I didn't charge anything extra to do that. But besides that, everything came out good. As you can see, wheels look 10 times better, glossier, got some tire shine on them. I even got the lines in the carpet, boy. What you say? Normally I don't do that, but you know, sometimes I'll do it just to do it sometimes, because I know people like it. But there we go. Now you do have to, I have to be careful with this door because the window doesn't go down. But boy, I got the and you don't buy no tool to do those lines. Just letting y'all know, do not buy no type of tool to do those lines. You can do that with the vacuum. But yeah, that's good. It wasn't really, it was a little dusty, but not bad. So obviously I'm back home, finished for today. We started at 9 o'clock in the morning and started at 9, finished at 11, and yeah. So started at 9, finished at 11. So it took 2 hours to do, and today we made $100, and that was pretty much it. So I did a not a wash and wax. I did my basic package, which is my bronze package, which is for newer vehicles and vehicles that are maintained already. So you could basically, it would be your probably mini interior. So it's wiping down, vacuuming, thorough vacuuming, putting some dressing on the interior dash and all that good stuff, and then I put a little bit on the seats. It's not leather conditioner, but it'll help protect those leather seats some. But yeah, it's just a simple maintenance type of job. It was the first time customer actually, and then the exterior wash, they were super happy with it. He actually gave my information to his co-workers because that guy was actually, I think, a doctor or something like that. And then I'm also maybe doing like a AMG 63, I don't know, it was an AMG something, it was a sedan and it was newer. So yeah, so that's what I made for today, $100. And sometimes it's gonna be like that. I know everybody wants to make $300, $400, $500 a day, and sometimes you have your days like today where I made $100 and that was it. It was for 2 hours of work and that was it. Simple and easy. It really could have took me about an hour and a half, probably less than that, but it's because I'm recording and stuff, it takes me a little bit longer than most people. So yeah, but and then in a couple of days I do have I'm about to, as we speak right now, I'm about to send out the invoice and all that stuff. I'm about to schedule a day where it's a $500 day, so it's going to be a wash and wax, a mini interior on a GMC Sierra, and then a wash and wax on a Navigator. That's going to be $550 type of day. So each day is going to be different, so you can't think you're going to every single day. You may not hit your goal every single day, so it'll be days like this where you make $100 and hey, you got to do what you got to do with that. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.